Good morning from Krakow, Poland. This morning we are heading to Auschwitz as our first stop. We're here just when it opens, and note that you have to pre-book the spots before you come here because they sell out very quickly, but it's free of charge to visit here. So let's head out there. This morning it's really cold and it's actually started to snow now, but we're approaching the famous gate to Auschwitz. It's a very strange and mystical feeling here, and you really feel as well that bad things have happened here. So yeah, I think it's important that these places are preserved and that you get to see these things and that what people have been capable of, which is really sad and scary. So Auschwitz was actually the largest Nazi German concentration camp and death camp, and in the years 1940 to 1945 the Nazis deported at least 1.3 million people to Auschwitz, which were Jews, Poles, Romanians, Soviet prisoner of wars, and prisoners from other ethnic groups. And 1.1 million of these people died in Auschwitz, and approximately 90% of these people were Jews. And yeah, the SS murdered the majority of these people in the gas chambers. So yeah, it's really, really tragic, and I just hope that people can learn from history and not repeat it. When you got off the train, you either turn left or right, and if you turn left, then you went straight to the gas chamber. So you went there, they had to get undressed, and they didn't know what was, going to happen to them, and they then entered the gas chambers and got gassed, and then they were cremated, and the process went on. This was the food that they were given usually during the day: bread, some butter, porridge in the morning, and then a soup at night. And many people died from starvation, just as you can see here. Now, and a lot of it has been destroyed, so there's not a lot of remains, but we're going to look at what's still left from this place. This area housed 200 barracks, and each of them had 400 people living inside of them, so yeah, that's 80,000 people at a time. Yeah, and I think it's here you realize that this place was really just a place for mass murder, an industry to kill people, and it's horrible. were visiting Auschwitz, and on the way back to Krakow, we went by the Holocaust National Park, and we saw the famous castle and rock formation, and it was really beautiful. Right now we're on our way to Oskar Schindler's factory and the museum in there, so yeah, let's check it out. So we've finished off at the Schindler's factory, and now we've stopped off at the Jewish ghetto and the Hero Square to see the chairs that are placed here in memory of those who died in the Holocaust. Yeah.
Won't you save, 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 save me? Won't you save, save?
So, we're finished with dinner at Veganic. It was really nice. I can really recommend it if you're in Krakow. We're walking back to the hotel now, and I'm going to end the video here today, so I'll see you next time.